Maintaining a garden is no easy task. It requires hard work, lots of patience, and a bit of imagination. Luckily, there are tools that make it easier and a lot more enjoyable. In this video, we will be featuring two garden tools from the Bosch stables, the Easy Hedge Cut 18 and the Easy Grass Cut 18. With the Bosch Easy Hedge Cut 18 hedge trimmer, you can trim small and medium-sized hedges with branches having a maximum thickness or diameter of 15 millimeters. This makes the garden tool suitable for thin branches, whether it is for trimming hedges or for lopping trees. Thanks to the anti-blocking system, you can easily trim branches without stalling or snagging. In addition, the blade protector ensures that you can safely trim close to the wall and ground. The Easy Hedge Cut 18 works on battery, so you are not bothered by a cord when trimming. This tool belongs to the Power for All Alliance. One battery can operate a large variety of tools from different brands. As you can see, the 18-volt battery is easily removable and attachable to another compatible device. With the Bosch Easy Grass Cut 18 string trimmer, you can neatly finish your freshly mown lawn. It can also trim those lawn edges which a lawnmower often cannot reach. With a 23 cm cutting swath, you can trim the lawn edges in no time. Because the trimmer head can be rotated by 180 degrees, you can easily get to hard to reach places without missing a spot. You can also reach lawn edges that are at the end of your lawn because the trimmer is powered by a Power for All 18-volt battery. It's possible to use this battery for other garden tools compatible with the Power for All battery platform. It's worth mentioning that I use these tools generally twice or thrice a year, but the effect is quite long-lasting. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more.